Are you too a Virat fan just like me? I mean, do you love Virat? How his grooming game has always been on point. But are you unsure about how to go about your own grooming journey? Well, I have got a perfect grooming device for you. Because today, we are unboxing a product which is every cricket lover's biggest dream come true. The BD1000 series trimmer, model 1230/88. The newly launched trimmer from the house of Philips, which is co-designed with the ultimate cricket legend and ultimate style icon, Virat Kohli. One look, and all I can say is just like Virat's inning, this trimmer is all about perfection and attention to details. Now, I can give you 1,000 reasons why this trimmer is the perfect styling tool to begin your facial grooming journey with. My favorite is the fact that it is designed in a way to give you smooth and the most skin-friendly beard trimming experience ever. Yes, you heard that right. The blades on the new one have rounded tips for smoother skin contact that prevents scratches and irritation, making it your perfect companion for a safe and sharp trimming every time. What's more awesome is that these self-sharpening steel blades stay as sharp as the day you bought them, ensuring a perfect, protective trim every single time. Additionally, this trimmer offers you different comb lengths to choose from. 5mm for a stubble look or go for zero trim using the Skin Protect comb. The Skin Protect comb guides your skin away from the blade, giving you a close, smooth trim. This beard trimmer features Dura Power technology, which reduces friction on the blades, preserves the motor, and extends the battery life. The indicator here tells you when the charger is plugged in. Guess what? You can use it for up to 3 weeks with one full charge. The travel lock on the on and off button prevents the trimmer from being switched on by mistake. Plus, maintaining it is so easy. It comes with an additional accessory to make the cleaning more efficient. You can put the attachment under the tap and you're good to go. Skin-friendly, long-lasting, easy to maintain, a 2-year worldwide warranty, and a limited edition trimmer co-designed with Virat Kohli himself. I mean, come on, what more can you ask for? Trusted by Virat, this product guarantees a perfect and protective trim with skin-friendly performance. Man, this product is a 10 on 10 for me. Grab one for yourself today.